Welcome to a short video on the Dyson Hot and Cool Air Purifier. What you see now is the landing page. At the top you can see the conditions for the city in which you live, and in the house shape you can see the settings in the room in which your unit is located. On this you can actually turn the machine on and off, switch from heating to cooling, change the airflow and the temperature. On the top right you have a settings menu. The top menu item, your machine settings, I won't go into it, but it contains your serial number, the name of your machine, the home city, your Wi-Fi network, the HEPA and carbon filter status. You can turn continuous monitoring on and off. It has diagnostic settings for volts, and you can turn the automatic software on and off. Scheduling your machine, the second item, is a timing function for you to turn your machine off and on automatically. The simplest way of doing this is by picking one of the four options here and working through that, or you can customize it to the nth degree and set multiple events for multiple days for heating, cooling, fan speed, etc. Using your machine is basically the user manual for the machine, everything you could need to know. The last item, you can set up voice control using Amazon Alexa. On the right hand side, this is where you would add your machine, and it's recorded for your warranty, help and support, explore the technology and your account details. On this page you also have an icon of the remote control, which is very similar to the little manual remote you have. On here you can turn the machine on and off, heat and cool, you can put on auto mode, you can put on the oscillation, which goes from 45 degrees right up to 350. Night mode basically dims or turns off the display depending on the ambient light. In cooling mode you can change the direction of the air through the machine. You also have a timer that runs up to 9 hours to turn the machine off. If you pull this menu up, you can see the parameters recorded by the machine. It records them continually for 7 days and then overwrites the oldest. The parameters it measures is air quality, particle size at 2.5 micron, 10 micron, volatile organic compounds, nitrogen dioxide, which is smog, temperature and humidity. You can expand the graph out on the timeline if you want to see more detail. I played around with the machine yesterday to show you what happens if you do get some contaminant in the area. This, I sprayed alcohol solution in the area, and you can see the big spike in the readings. The break here in the graph is when I shifted the machine from one room to another. It automatically reconnects as soon as you plug the machine back in. It automatically reconnects to your Wi-Fi. Okay, I hope that's everything you need to know. Goodbye.